Hello Mzansi, on this episode of Uthando Nesthembu Season 6, Episode 1, Umacele confronts Musa Mseleku about the way he handles family meetings. The wives are not impressed about the agendas of the meeting and they feel that these meetings are toxic. The wives later on had a meeting, but this time around Musa Mseleku was not present because they feel that every time Musa is present, he dictates to them what he wants and then they have nothing to say about the matter discussed. Tobile introduces us to her father. She is her father's daughter indeed. The energy is merged and they are both free-spirited. Tobile is accepting of number 5 and you can tell Tobile took after her father because they were just laughing about this matter. Unfortunately, I cannot say the same applies to Umangwabi. She goes home in need of a shoulder to cry on. She tells her mother that she doesn't like the idea of wife number 5. She is coming back home if wife number 5 is going to be in their lives. Her mother also advised her to persevere in the marriage, but if she feels that she is no longer in love with Musa Mseleku, she must leave her marriage and come back home. Anyway, Mzansi, that's it about Uthando Nesthembu Season 6 Episode 1 teaser. Till I see you again, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell for the latest Ukhozi. Till I see you again. Bye-bye.